Hey, it's Shelly from Best Buy's blog. I've been testing out the BenQ 4K HT4550i home theater projector. This BenQ 4K projector has 3200 lumens of brightness and it uses a 4 LED bulb. So it doesn't use a standard bulb that you would find in other long throw DLP projectors. It uses a LED bulb. This is the second home theater projector I've tested from BenQ, the second 4K projector as well. And the last one I tested was the BenQ TK860i. That's a daylight projector. This projector, on the other hand, is more meant for home theaters. And by home theaters, I mean actual home theaters with home theater seating and dark rooms and curtains. And it would be spectacular if you had a movie room in your house. If you want a really high-end projector, this is the one. Before I show you what it looks like on the screen, this is a quick walkthrough of what you get in the box. There are actually two remotes included with this projector, one to control the projector and one to control Android TV operating system. So to use this projector, all you have to do is insert the dongle. To insert the dongle, you'll just remove the back cover of part of the back cover actually of the projector, and it just slides right into the port. It plugs in, and once you do that, then you can boot up the system and start walking through the steps to set up your projector. There are several inputs on the back of the projector, so you can hook up your gaming consoles or your Blu-ray player or anything else that you'd like to. They are HDMI 2.0 ports. There's also an Ethernet plug as well as a media reader. So if you don't use the Wi-Fi that's built into the projector, then you can just stream via your media reader. You can adjust your zoom as well as your positioning on your screen. And so that was actually one of the things that I had the hardest time with, was trying to line up the projector with the screen. This screen is an outdoor screen, so by no means is it a representative of what the projector should be projected onto. I would recommend a gray screen that would be a minimum of 120 inches with a 16:9 aspect ratio, because this projector can support it. But that being said, just look at the color on this projector. It is absolutely amazing. Everything looks so real to life and bright and vivid. And that is all thanks due to the technology that BenQ has put into it. It has cinematic color HDR Pro technology, local contrast enhancer, tone mapping, as well as different modes that you can switch into depending on what you're watching. It does support 3D video, although it does not come with 3D glasses, but you can switch between bright cinema, filmmaker mode, HDR mode, or gaming mode, depending on when you're watching and what you're using the projector for. This is a look at the projector during the day. So I do have my blinds drawn, but it's actually still extremely bright and detailed. And the difference that it makes at night is actually amazing, because you can really see at night the contrast and how deep and rich the dark levels can go. The HT4550i has a 5-watt speaker built in. Here's a listen to what it sounds like at mid volume.
Oh my God, I'm dead.
You're not dead, you've just been separated from your physical form.
My physical. What?
How are you doing that?
I have no idea.
Although that is definitely enough for just random listening if you're just watching TV or anything. If you're going to set this projector up in a home theater, I would completely recommend getting a soundbar, a Dolby Atmos 7.1 soundbar, or a complete receiver home theater speaker system, because this projector will give you the picture quality that's just like a movie theater, and you want the sound system to back it up. I don't think anything I've captured of this projector can do it justice. This is something that you actually have to see in person to understand how crystal clear the picture quality is, how vibrant the colors are, and how everything looks upscaled on this projector. Whether you're a cinephile that would like to see director cuts of the latest movies and you want to replicate that movie theater experience at home, or you're just someone who's upgrading their home theater and you want the best of the best, you really need to take a look at the BenQ HT4550i. You can see my full review with other photos of the BenQ HT4550i at Best Buy's blog. Thanks for watching.